Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be opening up a couple things. I'm gonna be finally opening up the booster box that it's been a while. I said I was gonna open it, so I'm probably only gonna do half a box because I have other things that I'm gonna be opening up in this video. Also, I'm a little late, but I'm gonna be opening up this. I'm gonna catch up to today's date. Excuse me. Little mail day. I did get this done. For my cards, that was really cool. I saw this, I really like it, so got it done with my channel name. So I'll put it here. Just an aside, I know it's been a while since I posted anything. Where do I start? Let's see. So in my last my last posting, which was I want to say 3 weeks ago. Yeah, well, let me talk about my post. So in my post 2 weeks ago, the week after my last video, I said I needed to take a temporary hiatus for personal reasons, which I'm going to talk about. So if you guys remember, in my last video I did talk about I showed you guys a picture of my oldest baby girl. I did have to take a so the Saturday that I posted asking that saying that I was gonna take a hiatus. She did pass away, which is why I needed to take some time off. I'm still struggling with that. I had to go through I needed to take some time to grieve and get through that. She was 11 years old. She would have been 12 in a couple months. It's still hard. I do miss her every day still. I do want to apologize for my voice too, because I'm still kind of sick, on top of everything that I'm going through, so I do apologize if my voice is a little shaky. But yeah, I did have to take time off for taking time to grieve, and I'm still grieving, but take some time off and try to get better. It is hard every day. But yeah, just wanted to be real with you guys and let you guys know what was going on. I did make a little do something for her. This was my baby girl. She's gonna be I'm gonna put it just right under here while I open cards. Just gonna dedicate this video to her. A couple other things, little housekeeping stuff. I know it's been a while. What else? Regarding the giveaway, probably I'll announce the winner in like 2 weeks or so. Join the Discord to join the giveaway, and anybody in my Discord is automatically entered. Let's see, so it's gonna be 1 Mega Evolutions, and then another one from the booster box I'm gonna open today, and I'm gonna throw in a Phantasmal Flames what's this booster pack hanger. I did go to when I went out of town, I did stop by the local game store. They had these, so I figured I'd grab one for including in the giveaway. So if you want to join the giveaway, join the Discord, and you'll be automatically entered. So yeah, let's actually, let's open the let's open up the holiday calendar. I'm gonna open it off camera, and just because I don't have any room on camera to actually do it. If you notice, my setup's a little different because I am in the process of changing things around. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys might have noticed that looks different. I do have the webcam angled a little differently. Oh goodness. Trying to open. Okay, I already lost. Oh, that's trying to open this thing up. So yeah, here's the calendar. What is today's date? The 4th. So I do need to. I can't do this on camera either, just because of the way it's angled. So starting at 1, we have the Articuno promo. Let's see if I can find 2. Trying to catch up now. 2, we have a Journey Together pack. 3, I don't like that box. The advent calendar is out of order. Have a oh my goodness, Delibird promo. And then 4, another pack, Temporal Forces. So now that we're caught up, I'll be posting the daily for this. So see if I can. I'll open up this one since it was first. Oh, they're falling. It's because they're in the plastic. So I'm just gonna put these onto the side. Code card. My camera is automatically focusing. We have Grass Energy, Durant, Morgrim, Galarian Stunfisk, Bombardier, Brock Scouting, Volcarona, Alolan Marowak, Ents PP Up, Squovit, and we have Ionos Bellibolt EX. It's I'm gonna be holding the cards at a weird angle just because of how my webcam is angled. Trying to fix it, but figure out where I could put my hands. Okay, so that was the first one. We have code card. We have Lightning Energy, Grubbin, Medicham, Tranquil, Mr. Mime, Excadrill, Caldeo, Delmise, Cyphermatics Codebreaking, Dunsparce, and Relicanth. So, where did I put my sleeves? I might have grabbed the wrong sleeves. I think these are the type. They are. the tight fit ones. I grabbed the first ones I could find. First ones I can find, so. Alright, so now that we open those, I'm actually gonna put these out of the way. And then we're gonna open up the booster box. So like I said, I'm gonna do a half box today, and then I'll open up the rest in another video. Just because my voice is going out. I'm still sick, so. Oh, here's the promo. So I'm gonna do this. Make sure. Then let's pick a random pack. This is gonna be part of the giveaway. Okay, so I'm just gonna take half of these, and then I'm gonna open up the other half in another video. So I have half the box right here. Hope you guys are doing okay. Oh my gosh. It's a code card. Little blurry. Camera's trying to focus. Basic energy. Lightning. Execute. Chemical. Evil. Beware. Volcanion. Shift Tree. Lily's Determination. Ivysaur. Hollow. Dialga. And we have Mega Abomasnow. I have to find my other card sleeves. For now, these are okay. Just gonna there we go. I am trying to fix all my collection bulk and everything, so I'm moving all these things around. So my setup's a little different too, so the way I have my camera angled, my hands are like at the bottom, reaching up. Code card. You have Fighting Energy, Ralts, Stoofle, oh my gosh, Sizzlepede. I can't talk. Sunslash, Rosma, Kadabra, Gargangle. I probably said that wrong. Risky Ruins, Stoofle Hollow, and Alakazam. Probably gonna cut my sketch more like card size, because I do have another stand coming in. Well, two actually. And I'm gonna put her right next to here. I'm gonna have two, one here and then one here, and I'm gonna put her right there. Just for now, I didn't have a chance to cut it. Probably gonna laminate. Means I gotta buy a laminator. A code card. Fire Energy. Chikorita, Helioptile, Arbor, Makuhita, Gumshoos, Solrock, Crawdont, Corfish, another Crawdont, Hollow, and Hariyama. That pack just fell apart. Code card. Water energy. Execute. Gimmickle. Thievel. Beware. Goldengo. Fighting Gaunt. Shedinja. Chiyu. Hollow. Sandshrew. And Dialga. Good card. Oh. So I saw this one's gonna have a hit. At least I thought that's what I saw. I was trying to put the oh goodness. I didn't see what it was, but I was like, well, I know we got something here. We have a Grass Energy, Bureau, Linkada, Nacli, Mantine, Frostmoth, Spiritomb, Garganacl, Lieutenant Surge's Bargain, Volcanion, and Mega Mawile EX. That was our hit. Code card. Psychic Energy, Chikorita, Helioptile, Abra, Makuhita, Inteleon, Strange Timepiece, Shuckle, Stonejourner, Seedot, and Kyogre. Code card. Dark Energy. Pachirisu. Sorry, I said that wrong. Greavard. Bulbasaur. Strudel. Mega Signal. Shedinja. Inteleon. Cinderace. Frostmoth. And Kyogre. I just realized 2 Kyogres in a row. I already feel like my voice is giving out a bit. So, good thing I decided to do just half the booster box, because I don't think I would have made it through the whole thing. A whole box. Code card. Because I've been dealing with this cough for like 3 weeks. I've been having low energy and everything, so it's also that, time of the year where people get sick. Fighting Energy, Energy Switch, Heliolisk, Corfish, Tangela, Ollie's Compassion, Pyro, Executor. Patrisu. Ooh, full art Spiro. And Hariyama. Kind of do wish I grabbed my other sleeves. It's the card type ones are a little bit harder to put the cards in. I mean, it's not that hard, but it's easier with the regular sleeves. Code card. Ooh. Fire energy. Patrisu. Griever. Bulbasaur. Shrootle. Mega Signal. Celebi. Stonejourner. Iron Defender. Spiritomb. And ooh, Mega Absol EX. Where did I put oh no. I think they fell. Oh shoot. Well, I won't. I'll have to find the other sleeves. I think they fell. So yeah. Just know that I will sleeve that card later. Where did it go? I think it fell behind my desk. Code card. Metal Energy. Sandshrew. Litleo. Clauncher. Tinkatink. Strange Timepiece. Celebi. Volcanion. Devo. Chikorita. And Yveltal. Let's see how many packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more packs. Code card. There we go. Yeah, it's my new webcam, at least the one I used in my last video, or my last couple of videos. It kind of has this auto-focusing thing. So, I mean, I think it's better quality than my other one, so I might just stick with this one, even though it does the autofocus. Grass Energy. Energy Switch. Heliolisk. Corfish. Tangle Up. Forest of Vitality. Volcanion. Shiftry. Gargantuar. Alakazam. And Steelix. Code card. I'm gonna spend the whole video trying to get it to focus. Is it one to the front? Psychic Energy. Nickit. Are those my fingerprints on there? Probably. Miltank. Curlia. Drizzle. Lily's Determination. Gumshoes. Tinkaton. Helioptile. Scorbunny. Ooh, Mega Camera EX. Yeah, I'm gonna be pulling all them EXs. Code card. There we go. Dark Energy. Sandshrew. Litleo. Launcher. Tink-a-Tink. Lily's Determination. Gumshoes. Soul Rock. Boss's Orders. Knuckle Stack. Probably said that wrong. And Lunatone. Knuckle Stack. Let's see. Code card. There we go. Water Energy. Score Bunny. Young Goose. Rare Candy. Ice Cube. Shiftry. Boss's Orders. Stonejourner. Xerneas. Delibird. And Raikou. Since my last video, I have gotten a lot more stuff in. Like where I got the went to my local card shop. Not my local card shop. When I was out of town, I went to the card shop over there. I did get a Salamence EX and Reshiram EX Premium Collection box while I was there. Also got other stuff. I also got what's the Phantasmal Flames bundle from Merchantship Arena that's been sitting on the side here. Yeah, could have been opened by now, code card, but I did have to take time off, like I talked about in the beginning of this video. You know, just some advice. You know, take some time for yourself. Don't push yourself too hard. Take care of yourself, especially your mental health. Let's see. Fire Energy. Bayleaf. Spearow. Onyx. Snom. Crawdont. Iron Defender. Solrock. Latios. Yungoos. And Clawitzer. Oh my gosh, every time I come upon a Clawitzer card, I'm just gonna remember how I pulled that gold card in my one video. I think that was the last video I did. I was just like, I didn't know what to do with myself after pulling that. Let's see, code card. Almost to our last pack. Metal Energy. Scorbunny. Yungoos. Rare Candy. SQ. Grumpig. Pyroar. Tinkaton. Griever. Ooh, for our Executor. And Alakazam. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna. Well, I got next video is gonna be the rest of this booster box, and gotta open up some other stuff too. Definitely gotta open up my Elastros subscription from last month, because the next one's actually coming in. I think sometime this week or next week. So I'm a little behind opening things. Code card. Focus. It's not focusing. There we go. And it's our last pack. Let's see what I get. Fighting Energy, Nickit, Miltank, Kirlia, Drizzle, Crawdont, Magnezone, Iron Defender, Tyrogue, Ninjask, and Mega Camera EX. Nice. So ended on a hit. So we're gonna go through. So we do have the Bulbasaur promo from the booster box. Mega Camera, we just pulled this one. This is our pull from our last pack. It's so blurry. There we go. Executor, wait. Oh, there's two different Mega Cameras. The full art one and then the regular one. Mega Camera EX, Mega Absol EX, Spearow Hollow. Hollow, my gosh. Full art. I mean, yeah, it's hollow too. I can't talk anymore, guys. Mega Mawile EX, Mega Obama Snow EX, and Ionos Bellybolt EX. See, I can't talk anymore, guys. My voice is also giving out. But yeah, join the Discord to enter the giveaway. I'm gonna be announcing the winner in 2 weeks. I'm gonna do the wheel spin thing. Let me show you guys what I'm planning to give away. So this pack was pulled from our booster box today. Then we have the another Mega Evolutions. I don't remember what I pulled. It might have been from an ETB I pulled this out of. I can't remember. It's been a while. But yeah, this has been sitting on my desk. So I want to say I pulled this from the ETB that I opened a while back. I can't remember. I'm sorry, guys. And then a Phantasmal Flames hanger pack is included in this upcoming giveaway. So feel free to join the Discord. You have 2 weeks. Everybody in my Discord is automatically entered. These are going to be shipped out to you at no cost, as always in my giveaways that I do. But yeah, I think that's it for my video. Next video is gonna be opening opening the rest of this booster box. Not including the shorts I'm gonna do for the daily holiday calendar. But that and what else? I do have to open up the Celestial stuff. So that's gonna be after finishing the booster box, opening up my subscription from last month. But yeah, I'm making this video go longer than it should. Sorry, you guys. But yeah, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for stopping by. I do apologize for the beginning of my video. It's a little bit long, but I wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on in my life. You know, why I had to take some time off. So yeah, with that, please spend time with your family, or if you don't have family, at least your loved ones, people you want to spend time with. Spend extra time with them. Get pets, cuddle them a little longer if they let you cuddle them. I have like 3 other dogs, so 2 of them for sure they want to cuddle with me. The other one, he's kind of like I love him though. But yeah, please take care of yourselves, guys. Join the Discord to enter the giveaway, and you don't have to talk. If you want to do it just for the giveaway, that's fine too. But yeah, that's it. I'm just rambling, sorry guys. See you in the next video. Thanks, bye.